Last time on Sailing Doodles, we crossed over into the Eastern Hemisphere. And we cleared into Fiji. In this episode, Laura licks a toad, and we check out some amazing fire dancing. Follow along on our journey as we sail 15,000 miles from Canada all the way to Thailand in just 8 months. And as always, thank you to our patrons. We began this episode in Suva before heading to Becca Island and then over to the west side of Fiji. Pretty much right away, we had a blackfin tuna on the line.
They're a little oily, but if you guys want to save them, you tell me if it's worthy or not. I personally would toss him back. All right, let's toss him back. All right, there he is. Have another day, buddy. Bye-bye.
On the way, Laura decided to do a little house cleaning.
Laura cleaning the fridge. Wow. That's what you call dedication.
I seriously think I'm high from all those fumes.
It really is a design flaw with this refrigerator. It doesn't drain well and can get pretty gross.
You see.
Don't catch our asses. Don't do that.
Booty cam.
The bay at Becca Island was really long and well protected, although it was really deep, so it took us a while to find a place we could actually anchor. Before it got too dark, we headed ashore to see what we could find. We ended up at the Lalati Resort. It had just changed owners and was under renovation and wasn't actually open, but they welcomed us anyway. These guys know what they're doing. They're good. That's good. They even cooked us a meal and opened up the bar for us. Unfortunately, there were toads hopping around, and Laura picked one up and decided it would be a good idea to lick it. We actually had to restrain her from doing so. Well, we had a wonderful time at the Lalati Resort last night. Worth a stop for sure, very friendly people. Now we're gonna head around to the west side of the island. Here there's a place called the Robinson Crusoe. They have kind of cool little shows and stuff like that. We're gonna check that out. Perfect day for sailing Spinnaker. Nice downwind sail. We got about 40 miles to go, so we're putting it up.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free.
Little baby one.
Baby what?
I don't know.
Little baby yellowfin. He'll live to fight another day.
Throw back in there. It's big brother.
We made it to our destination right about sunset. Voila! The staff and the performers had a little show to welcome the guests. Soon the resort was full of guests, and it was time for a kava ceremony. Apparently it's called kava.
They compared it to marijuana.
They called it, yeah.
And you have low tide or high tide.
Oh, high tide, of course.
So I'm doing low tide.
You're doing low tide?
I don't like.
I'm doing high tide.
But don't give a shit. 'Cause tonight I can sleep where you sleep. From the cab up the stairs, put the keys.
There was a feast with traditional cooking, and then they lit the bonfire, which signaled it was time to party.
Want your lips on me, ooh. Hear you say I can sleep where you sleep. From the cab up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all.
That's it for this episode, but be sure to tune in next time for the world famous cloud break.